Let's learn an Indian party mehndi design together today. If you want me to make more videos on how to make your henna stains look more darker and how to do aftercare after putting a henna design, please let me know in the comment box below. I have an Instagram page also called Mehndi Love where I used to post lot many mehndi designs and concepts and also answer all the DMs. So please check that out also if you want more details on henna designing. I hope you liked my video and please send me feedback through any of these apps like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, etc. I'm active in all these apps and please let me know how my video was. And please keep watching my video, stay tuned and let's see you in the next one. Bye.